Good day, guys. I've been trying to fix my background and everything else. I tried to get that thing dark, but the room's so tiny. Whenever I use my light, it brightens it up. So I didn't have my softbox here. If I had a softbox or reverse parabolic, I don't know what, but if I have a soft box here, I would have shaped the light that is going to light only my face, and that's going to be dark, and I'm going to have this violet light behind me to create a different lighting scenario at the back. But I'm failed because I'm a bit lazy. I'm trying to finish out editing my 2017 Queenstown trip, and I'm on episode 3. As of making this video, I'm just uploaded episode 3, and I have one more which is on schedule. But yeah, I'm a bit stuck because I'm a bit there's a lot of old videos that are not properly filmed, and some of them lacks clips, most of them lack luster, but that's how you go. That was me like 6 years ago. I started making these videos around 2016, and it's been like 6-7 years, and until now I still don't know what I'm doing. But yep, also have a lot of things to do, and I have a lot of things to do and yeah, getting a bit stressed and everything, but yeah, a bit lazy also, and some procrastination is happening. I'm that lazy that I couldn't even set up my light here properly. But yeah, I'm just talking to you right now because this thing makes me feel relaxed. Whenever I start talking, I'll just get relaxed and everything. And whenever I film myself in front of the camera, even though I don't know what I'm doing, I'm setting up all these. Yeah, you might hear a bit of sound because my cable's not good. I'm setting up this microphone up my A7 IV. I first set up this camera here, but wanted more for the audio. I don't know if it's good. I haven't tested it. I haven't listened to it. I have tested it, but I haven't listened if this is going to be good. So, yeah. Okay. I just want to put up something that's spur of the moment, unplanned, trying to plan, but unplanned. Either way, yep. Heading on with the video. I'm going to put on the video clips from here, which are just interim videos. And then we're going to go back to the Queenstown videos in the next 2 days. So, you take care, guys, and stay warm in winter. We're winter here, 2017. Just to take note, just in case if I've listened to this like years after. Melbourne, winter 2017. Let me check. Come on. Temperature today, I just want to put this up, 7.5 degrees, and it feels like 5.8, so it's around 3 a.m. Gotta go to sleep. You take care, guys. Sorry about this interim video. I just needed to do this. Bye.